Dear students, parents and teachers, let me start with a fact that surprises most parents. According to international education studies, children's confidence in math drops sharply between primary school and early secondary school, even when their actual ability does not. This is not an assumption. This is clearly visible in global data. According to TIMSS 2023 international results, in grade 4, 27% of students worldwide reported being very confident in mathematics. By grade 8, that number drops to just 13%. This is a drop from 27% to 13%, almost a 50% decline in math confidence. In simple words, children don't suddenly become bad at math. They stop believing they are good at it, and I see this every single day. Parents tell me my child was doing well in math earlier, now they are scared of it. So the real question is not why is your child struggling? The real question is what changed in my child's relationship with math? And here's the important part. This has very little to do with marks. If this is clear, trust me, by the end of this video, you'll clearly understand three things. What actually changes inside a child's brain, why confidence drops before marks do, and most importantly, you will walk away with 3 practical experiments to work with the child at home and see measurable results to rebuild math confidence. Let's begin. Hi, I'm Mamta Rupesh, your Vedic maths teacher. Before getting into the video, please like, share and subscribe to our Vedic math channels on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Spotify and YouTube. We also have a WhatsApp community which helps students, parents and teachers. Links are provided in the description. Now, let's answer the real question. What actually changes inside a child's brain? Here's the uncomfortable truth. From a brain science point of view, the brain is always asking one question. Is this safe or should I protect myself? In the early years, math feels safe. Children try, they make mistakes, nothing bad happens. So the brain tags math as safe to attempt. Now watch what slowly changes. As children grow older, math starts getting paired with time pressure, comparison, public correction, marks, judgment. Each difficult experience sends a small signal to the brain. Be careful here. One signal doesn't matter. Repeated signals do. Over time, the brain quietly updates the tag. Math is no longer safe to explore. This is where it gets uncomfortable for us as adults. Once math is tagged as high risk, they stop trying freely. They hesitate, they overthink, they avoid attempting. This isn't laziness, it's protection. So, when a child says, I'm not good at math, what they are often saying is, math doesn't feel safe anymore. If this is clear, let's move on to the next question. Why confidence drops before marks do? Here's something most parents and teachers miss. Marks are like the engine failure light. Confidence is the warning light. The warning light turns on first. The engine fails later. Confidence reacts immediately to how math feels. Marks take time to show the damage. So what often happens is this. A child still scores okay, still passes tests. But the warning light is already on. They hesitate, they avoid tough questions, they start playing safe. By the time marks drop, the problem has existed for a long time. That's why confidence is the real early signal. If you wait for marks to fall, you're already late. Now, let's move on to the next and actionable part of the video, which is for parents to act upon. We have 3 simple experiments to rebuild math confidence. Experiment 1. Pause before correcting. For the next 3 days, when your child makes a mistake in math, pause. Don't correct immediately. Instead of saying, "That's wrong," just start asking them, "Can you tell me how you thought about it?" That's it. This small pause tells the brain it's safe to think. Yes, now let's get into experiment 2. Remove the clock. For the next 5 days, remove all time pressure during math practice at home. No, finish fast or hurry up terms used during the practice. Let's please stop them. Just let them solve at their own pace. Exams are already timed. Home should feel safe. Experiment 3. End with a win. Before ending any math session, make sure your child solves one problem confidently. Not the hardest problem, not the fastest one. Just one clear success. The brain remembers how learning ends. Remember, these are not tricks. They are simple brain experiments. You are not lowering expectations. You are changing the experience. When the experience becomes safe, confidence comes back first. Marks follow later. If you try even one of these experiments consistently, you will start seeing your child gaining confidence slowly. If you'd like your child to experience math in a way that builds speed and confidence, quickly book a free 45 minutes personalized Vedic math demo. The link is given in the description. If this video helped you see math differently, please share it with a parent, teacher or student who might need this perspective. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Vedic Maths for more brain-based learning insights. This is Mamta Rupesh signing off, one meaningful story at a time.